everyone. Today my presentation is about the networking event that I went in October. So this presentation event is called Talk-based networking events. And I want to first introduce the schedule of this event. So basically, first is the introduction about the company and what's this company and what did they offer, and then they start to they talk about getting involved with this company, and then the part that interests me the most is the networking part. So I want to talk about this organization company. So this company is the world's first bilingual business social networking platform for entrepreneurs and small and medium business owners to connect and expand into international markets. So it's a platform that implements trusted business connections and establish mutual participation incentives built on AI and blockchain technology. So I want to talk about the innovation. So how does the event is addressing an important topic in a computer science study? So I want to talk about my experience first because this is a platform that connect a lot of investors and small and medium-sized startups. So I think this is a good chance for me to learn more about the trending technologies, especially in the computer science field, because all the startup companies, they're having a lot of different ideas and they're utilizing different technologies. I think it's very important for me to keep up with the trending technology. And the second is I want to build networks with the startups and the engineer working in the field. And the second is that I want to learn about different industries and startups. So it's like prepare myself for my future career, because all the industry, they need computer science graduates, but I want to know what are their work about, what are they working on, so I can decide, or I can find out what interested me the most. So the audience and participants are like CEOs and CTOs from some startup companies, and engineers and developers who are seeking for job opportunities, and from these small startup companies. And there are some project managers from Silicon Valley companies. There are also some investors that they're looking for investing in these startup companies. So the collaboration is the ideas and interests. So first, my major networking targets are the engineers that are currently working in the Silicon Valley companies. So I connect with some of them and learn the trending technologies. Especially me as a computer science graduate, I want to learn more about the technologies they're working on, and for example, myself, I want to be a web developer in the future, and I want to learn more about the technology they're using in the web development field. So for example, the most trending framework now is React, which is developed by Facebook, and this is very useful information for me, so I can learn and I can better prepare myself for the future career. And second is I learn about because in the event that a lot of companies they're talking about AN and the AI and the blockchain. So this is a very hot topic right now, and this is something that I don't have much experience with, but it's very interesting to learn from them and learn about what they're doing. So I start to have interest in this field, and I want to take a look and probably learn something from it, so I can have more options in my future career choices. So what did I gain from this experience? So first is how to prepare myself for the future career. Like I just said, the skill set I need to be a good developer, and From talking with the engineers and developers, I know how did they become, how did they get their first job, and how did they prepare themselves, what kind of resources that they're learning from. That's I got a lot of useful information from them. And the second is how to cultivate my networking skills. It's because from this experience, I can obviously saw one of my most difficulty is I'm shy to present myself, and I'm not confident enough. So that's so I want to talk about this networking part. So this actually for me the easiest experience just to be a listener. Like when other people are talking, I can just listen to their conversation and learn some useful information, and it's very easy for me to do that. But the most challenging experience is to actually approach someone and start a conversation and introduce myself and ask questions, because it's very hard for me to approach someone, especially someone who's a CEO or CFO or CTO from a startup. I feel intimidated. So what to improve is, first I want to be more confident in the future, and also I want to cultivate my public speaking skills, because when I talk with a group of people or a large audience, I always feel nervous and I lost my words. I don't know what to say. So I think that's very important, and this is something I should take time to work on so that I can prepare myself for my future career. And I think this overall this networking event is very useful, and it's a very great experience, and I would like to take part. I would like to go to this kind of events more often in the future so I can learn about the field and prepare myself and be more confident, and also talk with more people, build my network, and cultivate my public speaking skills. Thank you so much.